Install the drop outlet at a predetermined downspout location. Install a bracket at the highest point on the fascia board, farthest from the drop outlet. Mark a chalk line and position brackets every 24 inches. Always slope down to the downspout location. The slope should be a 1/4 inch for every 10 feet. The end cap may be attached directly to the drop outlet if you're at the end of a gutter run. If the gutter continues around the corner, position brackets at the same height, no closer than 12 inches from the corner. Lightly sand surfaces to receive cement with 100 grit paper. Apply the cement and install the end caps while still on the ground. Small guides will keep it in place while cement dries, approximately 30 seconds. For corners, apply cement in a zigzag pattern from front to back. Install the gutter section with the attached corner and/or end cap onto the brackets. Push the rear edge of the gutter up into the bracket, then snap the front top of the gutter over the front tip. Note the temperature lines inside the drop outlet for proper placement of the gutter. Do not cement the gutter to the drop outlet. The second side of the corner can now be cemented to the clean surface of the gutter. Engage the gutter by pushing it up the back edge of the corner. Then push the front of the gutter so that the lock rim snaps into place. Join gutter sections at roof level. Apply cement on clean connectors from front to back. Hook the connector onto the rear edge of the gutter and then press it onto the front of the gutter so the lock rim snaps into place. Install the elbow onto the drop outlet. Measure the downspout and cut to size between elbows. Install a third elbow at the bottom of the downspout using the downspout bracket. Also install a downspout bracket at the top of the downspout and at the downspout connector if necessary. Do not cement elbows or the downspout. Ensure all cemented fittings are at least 2 inches away from brackets. On particularly long runs, you should install an expansion connector. This is only needed when there is no downspout, therefore no drop outlet, and a corner at either end of the gutter run, and more than 25 feet of gutter between corners. See the instructions included with the unit.